It's time! Crochet World Magazine Winter 2025. $29 patterns. Whew, let's do this. Shepherd's Knitting Caps by Brenda Carter. Mimic the look and feel of a knit cap with a slip stitch in this simple design. This is a beginner level, confident beginner, and the materials you need are a 4-weight yarn and a 5mm hook. Also, it says it's a quick make. Ah, yes. We are continuing our Woodland Amigurumi series with Declan the deer. For this one, you need a 4-weight yarn and a 4mm hook, and the design is by Donna Childs. Here is Declan. Hump block, reverse block, and underneath block. 3 blocks we give you in this issue are packed with texture and thick, making them perfect for cold weather projects. You need a 4-weight yarn and a 6.5mm hook for this one. This is a scrap buster and a quick make. It's a really nice color too. Here are the other two, the reverse block and the underneath block. Same materials. There you are. Which one's your favorite? I think I like this one. Evergreens by Deborah Bagley for Yarnovation. Turn squares into trees that stay evergreen. Each layer of the trees is a square folded in half diagonally and sewn. Then the layers are stacked upon each other. A 4-weight yarn and a 4mm hook and a glue gun. That's pretty cute. Oh yes, that is also a confident beginner. Are they in order? So far everything is a confident beginner. Oh well, they do say the hump block specifically is intermediate. I don't know, I think you could do it. This is how to do certain stitches. This particular one is the bobbin lace. How to do bobbin lace. Okay. Oh, this is lovely. The Spiral Cowl by Ellen Gormley. Practice your new Burgess lace skills. Oh, it's also called Burgess lace. Burgess lace skills with this beautiful cowl design. And it is lovely. Look at that. Skill level, though, is advanced. You need a 4-weight yarn and a number 1 fine yarn, a 6mm hook, and a 4mm hook, or whatever you can to obtain the gauge. And with clothing, gauge is very important. Oh my goodness, how fun does this book look? Annie's Attic presents Crochet Cubies. Doesn't that look fun? Look at that. I might have to find that one. Oh, those look so cute. I love the little cow. So this one is called Just Threads. They have little sections in here, and I think the other one was Quick Makes. Scrap Delights. Okay. This is Just Threads. So I think everything's going to be made in thread unless I tell you otherwise. Okay, the Snowflake Table Mat by Lori Zeller. Let me just read over here real quick. Skill level is intermediate for this one. You are going to use a 0 or a lace weight crochet thread. And you need a 2mm steel crochet hook. But it is lovely. This is the Snowflake Table Mat. Isn't that pretty? Here we go. Look at that. This is the Christmas Tree Doily by Dot Drake. Christmas trees decorated with gold beads encircle a poinsettia-like center with this holiday doily. A lace two-colored scalloped border with picot finishes. Intermediate crochet thread, 1.5 millimeter steel crochet hook, and 4 millimeter gold beads. Wow. That looks a little tricky. Also kind of fun. This is the Erwin Doily by Olga Saleva. I'm really sorry if I didn't say that right. You're going to use a 2.75 millimeter hook and of course crochet thread. This is also very lovely. Look at that. I'm not really a thread crocheter, but these are really beautiful. Oh, stunning. Just stunning. These people are so talented, aren't they? Oh, a woven snowflake ornament by Jennifer E. Ryan. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Confident Beginner. Number 1 fine weight and a 1.75 steel hook. You also need cardboard, a glue gun, aluminum foil, fabric stiffener. I guess so that helps it keep its shape. New section we have now, Deck the Halls. This is why I had to show you before Christmas. This is the Christmas Tree Stocking, designed by Rishi Washington of Hooks and Stitches. This timeless and creative take on the classic stocking will look lovely on your mantle. This is an intermediate pattern. You use a 4-weight yarn and a 5 millimeter hook. Oh, it's lovely. It's adorable. Look at that. I mean, that's so cute. I would make this one. Not this year, but I would totally make this. How cute would that be on a child's doorknob to their room? Like an extra little treat. Isn't that cute? Just stick like candy or something in there, just for fun. And then, you know, for different children, you could have a different color tree. I don't know. I just think that'd be cute. Oh, here's a really good picture of the tree. Okay. There you go. Tunisian holiday pot holders. Oof. Skill level is a confident beginner. I don't know about that. Tunisian makes me so nervous. Oh. By Kenneth Cormier. Every picture tells a story, and every story becomes a memory for generations to come. Begin your story with this nostalgic set of pot holders that will surely become a family tradition. Confident Beginner is the level. A 4-weight yarn in multiple colors. A 5.5 Tunisian hook is needed. Or an Afghan hook. Wow. They are beautiful. This is the Christmas Snow Afghan by Catherine Eng. Create this festive Afghan as you join as you go with granny squares worked in blocks of 4 for your holiday decor. Intermediate, 4-weight yarn, and a 4 millimeter hook. It's very pretty. This is the Sea to Sea Christmas Blanket by Lisa Gentry. Corner to corner crochet is used to make this beautiful Christmas themed blanket. It will look amazing stitched up in a traditional Christmas colors. But you can use any colors you want. Look at that. Doesn't that look like fun? This is an intermediate level, a 4-weight yarn, and a 4 millimeter hook. You need lots of patience, lots of tea, and the graphs, which they do provide. Ta-da. sure I didn't skip any pages. Ah, this is a great picture of the whole blanket. Look at this. Look what they give you. Look at that. They even give you a schematic of a green version too. So this is what the green version would look like. Very fun. Retro Wreath Pillow by Kristen Clay. Whether you choose traditional colors or a retro Christmas palette, this lovely applique wreath pillow adds the perfect touch to your holiday decor. Intermediate level, 3-weight yarn, or a DK, and a 3.75 millimeter hook. Highly underrated hook size, actually. I do enjoy that one. I need to use that more. I love that. I really love the applique. Twinkle Lights blanket from the cover. Claire Goodale. The Twinkle Lights blanket. Cozy up with retro-inspired crochet Christmas blanket bursting with bold, nostalgic hues and playful strings of colorful Christmas lights. This is an intermediate pattern, a 4-weight yarn, and a 5.5 millimeter hook. You use bobble stitches and surface crochet and all kinds of fun things to create this. Kinda looks like fun. Layers of Warmth is our next section. So I'm guessing these are wearables. Wrapped Hood by Deborah Arch. Exquisite texture and drape are stitched using 1-row pattern repeat to create this super warm hooded accessory. With scarf ends wrapped and tied around one's neck, the hood could be worn for protection from cold days and winds, or slid back off one's head for a trendy tied cowl on warmer days. This is an intermediate pattern. You have a 4-weight yarn. You have a 5.5 millimeter hook. And here's the other way you can wear it. Pretty in Puffs set. Margaret Hubert. This set will keep you toasty when the frigid winter days come racing in. This is an intermediate level, a 4-weight yarn, a 5 millimeter hook, and they teach you the puff stitch, which is a very fun stitch to learn, in my opinion. Here is the hat. North by Northwest set. Designed by Wendy C. Brown, this reversible set with its spiraling stitch pattern is almost hypnotic. The double-layered texture draws you in, inviting you to try it out with the most special yarns. Whether they're tonal, solid, self-striping, hand-painted, or variegated. Skill level is intermediate. You need a 3-weight yarn, or a DK, and a 4 millimeter hook, and a 3.5 millimeter hook for this project. Mulled Wine Poncho by Christina Michelle. This poncho celebrates casual luxury. Make one just in time for your holiday parties. A repetitive stitch pattern creates an all-over mocked cable texture that pairs beautifully with the rich, alluring hue, and simplified construction makes this a perfect accessory to throw over any ensemble. This is an intermediate pattern, and you need a 4-weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter hook. Okay, I have no idea how to say this. Terry Cardigan. I'm probably saying it wrong. I'm sorry. The Terry Cardigan by Anastasia X. This drapey front of the cardigan enables it to be styled and worn in several ways. Hopefully they show you those several ways. I don't know. Skill level is intermediate. You need a 5-weight bulky yarn and a 8 millimeter hook. So here's that. And then that. Winter Warmth Cardigan by Brenda Borg. This simple construction of the cardigan makes it a joy to create, and it will keep you warm and cozy all winter long. This one is an intermediate pattern and a 4-weight yarn with a 5mm and 6mm hook in order to obtain gauge. Kenora Striped Cardigan, designed by Sandy Prosser. Stripes, color blocking, and fun repeat stitch come together for the perfect combination in this easy-to-wear open front cardigan. I do love this one a lot. It's an intermediate pattern with a 5 bulky yarn and a 6.5mm hook. Oh, I forgot to mention, most of these go up to a 4X. Yes, most of these have options. The wearables, most of them have options for up to at least a 4X. So, yeah. And that is the last pattern. But real quickly, I will let you scan the page here with your eyes. In case you missed anything, feel free to go back and see what you missed. Well, this was a fun one. I definitely saw ones that I really liked. That last cardigan is very much speaking to me. I love the tree stocking. The C2C blanket. I mean, if I had the time, that would be gorgeous. I love that one so much. Maybe I could do like a panel and make a pillow or something. Like one of the reindeer paddle. That'd be good. That'd be fun. So yeah, I think this is a really good issue. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below. And thank you so much for being here today. Did you enjoy the little flip through the magazine so you can see if you want to get it too? Let me know. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Oh, and Merry Christmas.